You're safer here than anyplace else.
He's doing it, he's doing it. Little. Sounds like being he's beaky over there. Oh, hang on. That's what I missed it anyway. Hello, how you going? It's pigeons. Yeah, it's pigeons. Yeah, they've actually they've been schooling me quite a bit of late. Reinforcing the appropriate lesson, not to be so. Well, I wasn't. It's just it's a point in time. You know, that's what your mind is for. Right? You know, that's what a mind does. It changes. And yeah, pigeons are reinforcing that. Yeah, they're very cool bird. Good flying pigeon moves repeatedly recently. Served. I'm not rating because I'm not giving them. You know, it's being real is wonderful. In fact, it's full marks. You just won. What do you mean? Well, you're real. Well, how do I win for you? Well, yeah, look, I'll start explaining it and you probably, I don't know, maybe you already know if you're real, perhaps, or maybe you won't, and then you're just getting there, but you might have the patience to listen to me try and explain my version. But that's alright, you don't have to. There are things around that aren't that real. Arguably, we're all, you know, branded with that type of zeal, because it really you don't know at first, and you think everything's real, but you do kind of work out that you can't really be here. This is like a training ground, like a holographic simulation of things we remembered, we thought we'd found, and we wonder what we forgot, and so we popped ourselves back in here from out there, which is also here, to do a few more laps around the lot. Occasionally losing the plot or sense of it, or most of the time, look, it's just time. And yeah, they show up. The ducks are doing funny things. They're very cool. Yeah. They're not made of wood, those ones. But pretty sure. No, I'm going with they're not. And nothing wrong with wood. I mean, look, it's just to be clear, it's wonderful. It's difficult to speak through so many layers from within, deep within here. Whereas here, well, it's going to be like that. What's up? There you go. That's ducks and pigeons. That's lovely. Yeah, it's very nice of you. Yes, mate. Yes, yep. Real as. Wonderful. My eyes are stinging. It's my volume. Short bites. He's like one log. He's pretty feisty, is he? Not him, but I think it's that time as well. I've been feeling a bit that way myself. Yeah, like that. Somewhat. Yeah, less water. And look, it's difficult to see my wings. I'll leave that alone. That could go, yeah, just leave that alone. That does, yeah, leave that alone. Been saying that to me, yeah, let it go. That too, alright, leaving myself, thank you. And I said, you know, if I said any further, I'll get this shit out of here. Alright, cheers, thanks for me. See you soon. Alright, cheers. Ciao. Where am I? Oh, serene. Maybe. Oh, man. Alright, well, yeah. You can call me Reiki if you like. Well, it's alright. Bit nicer than Pale Rush, but either way, it's all the same. Yeah. I've got really old images from here. Well, allegedly. I mean, they feel a bit old for me now too, maybe from 5 years ago. From 18 something or other. And I think it's here, it looks like perhaps here. May not be, but I think this could be the Torrens weir. In any case, this is where I'm at. We're here. Oh. Let's go. I try and do it with more of a grimace on my face, not look like I'm enjoying myself too much, because you don't want to like incite any attention around here. Fuck. But if you laugh, that's, yeah, it's controversial. Oh, that's fantastic. It's wonderful. That's not how they release more water down here. It's cool. Maybe it'll happen now. That'll be exhilarating. I'll be right. What about there? Precipice. And if not, I'll just end up down there. Maybe standing. Alright. Let's go there. Yeah, ducks. That's cool. Alright, thanks for having me. I'm still bussing for a toilet, so I'm going to keep moving. Thank you. I'll be back. Thanks for having me. They look like wood, but I think that must be rusted out reinforcement. Yeah, iron underneath the concrete. Hello. I can't see. Anyway. Alright. Cheers. Enjoy.